Hi guys, I decided to bake today. I'm making a bread, a traditional Filipino bread. It's called Pandesal. And I think it's a Spanish bread. I prepared already the ingredients. 3.5 flour, all-purpose flour. 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of yeast. 1 egg, 1 cup of milk. I already add the 2 tablespoons of cubes unsalted butter, and I add 1/4 cup of water. It's already warm. It's a little bit warm. And after that, I have to add sugar. I add the sugar and mix it together, and I add the egg. Just only 1 egg, and add the yeast and stir it well. And let's wait for 8 to 10 minutes before we put it on the flour. Okay, and we just cover it for a few seconds. Few minutes, I mean. 8 to 10 minutes. I think the yeast is ready. Look at my yeast. It's ready. And I'm gonna add it into my flour. I will add the yeast here slowly and stir it. There you go. And let's just stir it. Okay, just do it. Just do your exercise. If you want, you can do it on your mixer. But for me, I just prefer my hands to do it. I have to practice my baking. I never bake in my life. This is my first time to bake. And let's see what's gonna happen. My husband said, I just buy bread and it's more easier. And it's more cheaper. And I said to him, I have to practice how to bake, because I never bake in my life. This is really my first time. See? See? It's very nice. I think it's more. A little bit more. I will get another bowl and put a little bit of vegetable oil, any oil. Put it in your bowl and spread it in here, and put it a little bit on your dough, and let it sit here for 1 hour or until it double the size. So it's put in there and cover it with towel or plastic cover. We will cover it for maybe after 1 hour or double the size. Then let it sit for 1 hour. Okay guys, I'm back. Let's check the dough. Oh, you have to punch the dough. There you go. To make it smaller. Get another flour. Flour is put in there. It's nice to punch the dough and make it flat. And cut it into half. Maybe 4. Cut it into half. And the half, cut it into 2. 3, 6, 9, 12. Make it 12 pieces. And I prepared the breadcrumbs. Spread this one. You can form the dough into a round shape. Round shape, like that. Sprinkled it with breadcrumbs. There you go. Wow. What's that? There you go. And let's sit for cover with towel or plastic. Maybe I will cover with towel. And let's sit for 30 minutes. Hi guys, I'm back. Let's check the dough. Look at that. It's perfect. It's perfect. So we can, it's ready to bake now. We put the oven into to 350 degrees. I warm the oven for maybe a few seconds. Then let's put it in the oven. So now we will bake it for 21 minutes. Okay. So let's put it in the oven. And after maybe 13 minutes, we're gonna check it and put foil on top. And let's bake for another 8 minutes. And let's check it. Let's check my bread. Look at that. And we have to cover it with foil. Cover foil for a few minutes. So it's not gonna burn. Cover with foil. And we have to put back in the oven. That's the technique, not to burn the bread. And let's put back for 5 to 8 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes. Maybe just 8 minutes. Check the bread. Let's check the bread. And let's see what's happening. Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Look at my bread! It's perfect! My son wants to try it, so maybe I will give there. Look at the bread. It's so yummy. It's still steaming. There, my bread. And it's like perfect to me. And now look at that. It's so soft. It's yummy. Tastes good. Okay. Have a good night.